Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at the basic things you need to know about Hamster Kombat. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at some basic things you need to know about Hamster Kombat mining. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now a lot of people are telling you, a lot of people might think Hamster Kombat is an application. Please, this is not an application. So you can search for Hamster Kombat on Play Store or App Store and you can see a lot of applications. Please, this is not Hamster Kombat. Please don't download them from Play Store or App Store. Hamster Kombat is linked to Telegram, so you have to open Telegram to do this. So just download your Telegram over here. If your Telegram application is not updated, you need to make sure it is updated. So update your Telegram over here, or just download Telegram and then make sure you just create an account. If you don't have an account on Telegram, just do that. Now once you are done with this, just open your Telegram application over here and then search for Hamster Kombat over here. Now you can click on the link under my under this video to just join over here. You can click on the link under the description of this video to join. You can see Hamster Kombat, you can see unleash your inner CEO. So now I have already logged in and this is very simple. So you can see play over here. Just click on play and just wait as it is loading and start tapping on it, and then you can see mining over here. Just mine over here, just keep typing and that's all. So you can also share over here, so you can see friends. Just click on friends and you can copy the link over here and then share it. Share it, and you can see invite a friend. You can click on invite a friend and you can share this over here, so that once you share to, you can earn some bonuses over here. Now I will show you your daily combo over here, so you can join my Telegram channel. So you can click on the link under the description to join my Telegram channel too. So this is very simple. So click on play, and once you click on play, you start mining. These are the basic things you need to know. Please, Hamster Kombat is not an application. So I will show you your daily combo and all the things you need to know about this particular crypto. So this is very simple over here. So keep mining. I will show you how to redraw. I will show you how to exchange your cash. I will show you how to do everything so far as this mining site or this crypto coin is concerned. So you can just go to airdrop. This is another method to exchange your coin over here. So it is very simple. So please again, Hamster Kombat is not an application. So first of all, you have to download your Telegram application. So it is linked with Telegram. It is linked to Telegram, so you have to download Telegram application to do this and keep tapping, and that's all. So you can see over here we have the gold, silver. So this is very simple. So you can see over here. Now these are the basics of Hamster Kombat. So in the next video I will show you how to I will show you the daily combo and other stuffs you need to know about this coin. So this is very amazing. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is very helpful, and also subscribe for more tech updates. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new